Hey guys, what is going on? So we have picked up the Boss, and it's only not even an eighth of a mile to my home from the shop, but we're gonna do just a quick chat. I want to show you guys one thing, just one thing. This is what I've been waiting for, and we'll do a detailed video on the driving and just my first impressions of the car. However, just getting it here, it is different, a completely different feel, but most importantly, I want you guys to hear this. I want you to hear this. We're going to start the car. This is what I've been waiting for. Now, we went back to closing off our side pipes for having a quieter car and getting a better video, if you will, on the transmission. Well, listen, when the clutch gets let out, I just want you guys to listen. I've been waiting for this for a long time. Clutch is out. Oh my God. This is how it should be. Clutch out, clutch in. Look, Mom, no noise. Clutch out. For me, that's worth everything. That's worth tons. Absolutely tons. But hey guys, it's in. I got an exciting night tonight, so I don't have time to do a video. I'm heading to JJ, the Boss's arm drop race, get some videos there. I got some new stuff that came in. We'll pick that up tomorrow and Sunday, and then we'll make sure we get a full vid, a couple vids of the car. We'll talk about the transmission. We'll talk about how it feels, and we'll go through the whole break-in. So hey guys, if you like what you're seeing, like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you soon.